Third standard,
Third standard.
lesson number 23, the two merchant of series.
The two merchants of series.
Once upon a time,
Once upon a time,
in a
in a
place
place
called
called
Siri,
Siri,
there lived
there lived
a
a
merchant.
merchant.
He went from
He went from
town to town
town to town,
selling
selling
pots
pots
and pans
and pans
and
and
other things
other things
made of
made of
brass and tin.
brass and tin.
He traveled
He traveled
every day
every day
with
with
another
another
merchant
merchant
who also
who also
sold
sold
brass
brass
and tinware.
and tinware.
But
But
this
this
other man
other man
was
was
greedy.
greedy.
When he sold
When he sold
something,
something,
he sold it
he sold it
at
at
a very
a very
high price.
high price.
But
But
when he bought
when he bought
something,
something,
he tried to
he tried to
give
give
as little
as little
as
as
possible.
possible.
When the two
When the two
merchants
merchants
went into a
went into a
town,
town,
they
they
divided
divided
the streets
the street
between them.
between them.
Each one
Each one
went up
went up
and down the
and down the
streets.
streets.
He had
He had
chosen calling
calling
tinware
tinware
for sale,
for sale,
brass for sale.
brass for sale.
People
People
came out
came out
to their
to their
doorsteps
doorstep
and bought
and bought
or
or
traded
traded
with them.
with them.
Only after
Only after
one
one
merchant
merchant
had finished
had finished
his business
his business
on that
on that
street
street
did the
did the
other one
other one
made his
made his
round
round
there.
there.
In one house,
In one house,
in those days,
in those days,
people
people
did not
did not
always
always
use
use
money to buy
money to buy
things.
things.
Sometimes
Sometimes
they
they
exchange
exchange
things
things
of the
of the
same value.
same value.
In one
In one
house,
house,
there lived
there lived
a
a
poor
poor
old woman
old woman
and her grandfather and
and
her
her
granddaughter.
granddaughter.
The family had
The family had
once
once
been
been
rich,
rich,
but
but
now
now
the
the
only thing
only thing
they had
they had
left
left
of
of
all their
all their
riches
riches
was a dish
was a dish
made of
made of
gold.
gold.
However,
However,
the grandmother
the grandmother
did not know
did not know
it was
it
a
was
golden dish.
a golden dish.
The dish
The dish
stood on a
stood on a
shelf
shelf
among
among
the
the
other pots
other
and
pots
pans
and pans
and was
and was
not often
not often
used.
used.
Now the greedy merchant
Now the greedy merchant
passed this
passed this
house,
house,
calling,
calling,
"Buy my water
buy my water
jars,
jars,
buy my pans,
buy my pans,
buy my tinware."
buy my tinware.
The granddaughter
Granddaughter
said,
said,
"Oh grandmother,
"Oh grandmother,
do buy
do buy
something
something
for me,
for me,
my dear,"
my dear,"
said the
said the
old woman.
old woman.
"We are too poor
We are too poor
to buy
to buy
anything.
anything.
I have
I have
not anything
not anything
to trade
to trade
even."
even.
Grandmother,
Grandmother.
see,
See.
I have found
I have found
this old dish
this old dish
among other
among other
pots and pans
pots and pans
on the shelf.
on the shelf.
We don't
We don't
ever
ever
use it.
use it.
Can we
Can we
trade
trade
this?
this?
Perhaps
Perhaps
the merchant
the merchant
will take it
will take it
and give us
and give us
something
something
nice
nice
for
for
it.
it.
The old woman
The old woman
called the
called the
merchant
merchant
and
and
showed him
showed him
the dish,
the dish,
saying,
saying,
"Will you take
will you take
this,
this,
sir,
sir,
and give the little
and give the little
girl
girl
her something for
her something for
it?"
it?
The greedy man
The greedy man
took the dish
took the dish
and scratched its
and scratched its
side with a
side with the
needle.
needle.
He came to know
He came to know
immediately
immediately
that
that
it was a golden dish,
it was the golden dish,
but he wanted
but he wanted
to get it
to get it
for nothing
for nothing
from the old woman.
from the old
So
woman.
he
So he
said,
said,
"What is this
what is this
worth?
what?
Not even a
Not even a
copper coin."
copper coin.
He threw the dish
He threw the dish
on the
on the
ground
ground
and went away.
and went away.
The crafty merchant
The crafty merchant
was
was
planning to
planning to
come back
come back
after some time
after some time
and buy the dish
and buy the dish
for a few copper
for a few copper
coins,
coins,
as if
doing
doing a great favor
great favor
to the.
to the.
After a while,
After a while,
the honest
the honest
merchant
merchant
finished the round
finished the rounds
of
of
the streets
the street
and entered the
and entered the
street
street
where the old lady
where the old lady
lived.
lived.
He passed
He passed
her house,
her house,
calling by
calling by
my water jars,
my water jar,
by my tinware,
by my teammates,
by my brass.
by my brass.
The little girl
The little girl
heard him
heard him
and began and begged her
and begged her
grandmother
grandmother
to see
to see
what this
what this
merchant would
merchant would
give for the dish.
give for this.
My child,
My child,
said the grandmother,
said the grandmother.
the merchant who was
The merchant who was
just here
just here
threw the dish
threw the dish
on the ground
on the ground
and went away
He went away
and went away.
and went away.
I have
I have
nothing else to
nothing else to
offer in
offer in
trade.
trade.
But grandmother,
But grandmother
said the girl,
said the girl,
this one
this one
look
look
pleasant.
pleasant
Ask him.
as he
Perhaps
perhaps
he will give
he will give
us
us
something
something
for it.
for it.
Call him
Call him
then
them
and show it
and show it
to him,
to him,
said the old woman.
said the old woman.
As soon as
As soon as
the merchant took
the merchant took
the dish
the dish
in his hands,
in his hand,
he knew
he knew
it was of
it was of
gold.
gold.
Immediately
Immediately
he said,
he said,
"This is a
this is the
golden dish.
golden dish.
It is
It is
worth more
what more
than all
than all
money,
money,
all my
all my
wares.
wares.
I will bring
I will be
enough
enough
money
money
tomorrow
tomorrow
and then
then
buy it
buy it
from you."
from you.
The old woman
The old woman
was
was
greatly surprised.
greatly surprised.
She was
She was
impressed by
impressed by
the honesty
the honesty
and goodness of
and goodness of
the merchant.
the merchant.
Take this dish
Take the dish
and give me the
and give me the
money tomorrow,
money tomorrow.
she said.
She said.
The honest merchant
The honest merchant
kept all
kept all
his wares
his
and money
wares and money
with the
with the
old woman
old woman
and took the dish.
and took the dish.
He left himself
He left himself
only enough
only enough
money
money
for the
for the
boat ride
boat ride
that he had
that he had
to take
to take
on his way
on his way
back.
back.
After some time,
After some time,
the greedy merchant
the greedy merchant
went back to the
went back to the
house
house
where he had
where he had
seen the golden
seen the golden
dish
dish
and said,
and said,
"Bring that dish
"Bring that dish
to me
to me,
and I will
and I will
give you
give you
something for it."
something for it."
No, said the grandmother.
No, said the grandmother.
You said the dish
You said the dish
was
was
worthless.
worthless,
But another
but another
honest merchant
honest merchant
has paid a
has paid a
great price for it.
great price for it.
So I gave
So I gave
it to
it to
him.
him.
You should
You should
not try
not try
to take
to take
advantage
advantage
of the poor
of the poor
and
and
needy people.
needy people.
What could the
What do the
greedy merchant
greedy merchant
say?
say?
He paid the
He paid the
price for
price for
his dishonesty
his dishonesty
and greedy.
and greedy.
Okay.